How to use the green screen on TikTok. That's what I'm gonna teach you in today's video. So the first, we need to go and open TikTok app here. And as you can see, once open, we need to click on the plus button here. And then we got this video, for example. So to use the green screen, we're gonna click on effects. And then once we click on effects, we're gonna choose this search bar here. And then we'll swipe until we can find green screen over here. We click on it, and here we got a lot of filters for green screen. So for example, let's pick up this one. So here we got all these filters on the green screen. We can choose any one of these, and then we can take the picture, or even we can record a video. And once we do so, we're going to click on next, so we can upload the video after the effect of the green screen. Just swipe here until you can find it. On the section, we got a lot of sections, but this is for the green screen. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.